morning, Lord. As I wake up to a new day, I thank you for the gift of life and the chance to start fresh. Thank you for the breath in my lungs and the opportunities ahead. Please guide my steps today and fill me with your peace and wisdom. Help me to walk in love, speak with kindness, and act with patience. Give me the strength to face any challenges and the courage to embrace whatever comes my way. Let your light shine through me, bringing hope and encouragement to everyone I meet. Please watch over my loved ones and me. Keep us safe, protect us from harm, and let us feel your presence throughout the day. Remind me of your blessings and help me live this day with purpose, gratitude, and joy. Thank you for your love and grace, which never fail. I trust in your plan for my life and give this day to you. In your name I pray. Amen. This prayer can serve as a comforting and grounding way to start your day.